Welcome folks to a Guardian overview for Guardians of Middle-earth. Today we'll be talking about Agandaur. He's an Enchanter. His abilities, Gathering Storm, his passive, grants him orbs that can be used to enhance his other abilities. By activating his Overcharge ability, he consumes an orb. His Northern Bolt is a ability damage line attack. His Dark Assault is a teleport that can be used to root enemies. And Shockwave is a damage ability that has 3 waves, each dealing damage. For this video, we'll be using the Seat of Seeing relic, the Light of the West relic, and you can use Wardclaw, but it requires you to not die, and I find Argonath is a little bit easier for the same amount of ability power. We'll be using power potions and recovery potions, so it gives enhanced ability power as well as some regeneration if needed. Commands will include heal, smite, you can use refresh, and we'll be using summon archers, although you could use amplify ability as well. With Agandaur is also a very useful tool. And then our final command will be summon defense. So that's the Northern Bolt ability, just a line lightning attack, and that is Dark Assault, a teleport. And here's his ultimate, Shockwave. Stabbing the ground 3 times sends out shockwaves of damage. When overcharged, it changes the area of effect of his X and B abilities, Dark Assault and Northern Bolt respectively. And on Northern Bolt, it creates that cone. On Dark Assault, it gives an AoE around him that deals damage as well as roots enemies. So here those are again. Northern Bolt, a line attack. Overcharge Northern Bolt is a cone attack. Dark Assault, a teleport. Overcharge Dark Assault creates an AoE effect that deals damage and roots his enemies. Now Agandaur is a very powerful Guardian. In and of himself, he has very strong abilities. They deal a lot of damage. They also scale really well with ability power. When overcharged, that Shockwave, his ultimate, will deal increasing damage per wave. So when it is not overcharged, it just deals the same amount of damage each time it hits. When it is overcharged, the second and third wave deal ramping damage, and they also benefit more greatly from ability power each wave. And what that means is the more ability power you have, each wave will do not just more damage at base, but it also gains greater benefits from ability power from each wave as well. Agandaur has a lot of strong damage capabilities, but he really needs to be paired with allies that can help him take advantage of situations. Especially early game, before a lot of his damage comes online, he usually goes as a mid Guardian that can gank, but he pairs really well with anyone that has stuns or roots so that he can really dish out the damage with his Northern Bolt. Typically, you'll upgrade your Northern Bolt first, and then your Overcharge. Your Overcharge ability that consumes your orbs will grant you additional penetration, meaning that you can mitigate a lot of your enemy Guardian's resistances when you have that penetration active from using those orbs. Now, using the orbs is a little bit of a double-edged sword because each orb that you have active will grant Agandaur additional resistances, both ability and basic attack. So there is a little bit of strategy to not enhancing your abilities on occasion, which is kind of relevant to note because he is actually the squishiest Guardian in the game. So having those additional resistances in some places may be pretty beneficial. And that is the general gist of Agandaur. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day.